Seeing unwanted search results about yourself on Google can be frustrating. Whether it's outdated content or personal info, you can take control. The first step is identifying where your information appears. Start by searching your name and associated details in multiple ways. Search for your name combined with your phone number or address, and even specific websites. Make a list of every link you want gone. Google's Results About You tool is designed to remove sensitive details like your home address, phone numbers, and email addresses. To use it, go to the Tools page, enter your info to see what's indexed, and simply select Remove Result on any sensitive findings. Keep in mind, approval isn't guaranteed, and this tool only removes the result from Google, not the original website itself. If a page has been deleted or updated, but old info still shows in search, use the Remove Outdated Content tool. Use this for broken links, or when Google's search snippet displays outdated information even after a website has been updated. If content is still live, Google won't remove it unless it violates policy. In these cases, you must contact the website owner directly. Look for a contact page, use a Whois lookup to find the domain owner, or reach out via professional networks like LinkedIn. Send a polite email requesting removal. If they refuse, you can ask them to add a No Index tag so it doesn't appear in search results. For serious issues like unauthorized personal info or explicit content shared without consent, you can file a formal legal removal request. Google allows requests for removing financial info, national ID numbers, medical records, or unauthorized explicit content. If removal isn't an option, use SEO to push negative results down by ranking positive content higher. Create a personal website, update your social profiles, and publish articles. Active profiles rank well and suppress unwanted links. Regular monitoring helps prevent content from resurfacing. Use tools like Google Alerts to get notified whenever your name appears. Tools like Brand24 and Google Alerts scan search results for negative content so you can act immediately. For expert help, Erase.com has helped thousands take control of their online presence. Visit Erase.com to get started today.